To hide or remove the left app from your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap lock screen thumbnail to go to the screen where you can edit your lock screen. As a note, if you have enabled touch and hold to edit lock screen, you can go to the screen by tapping and holding your lock screen. Now tap the left app icon and then select no app. Tap down button to save the change. Now the left app will be hidden or removed from your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.